What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to be going over how to use the pitch correction on your Elite Party 65. Now another really great feature is the mic auto-tune section here. This will actually pitch correct our voice while we're singing through the microphone so that we're always singing in the correct key. So let's take a look at this section and see what each function does. Starting with the key button here, this allows us to set the key for our voice. So for example, if I know the song that I'm singing is in the key of C, I can press this button until I see on the display here the C note. And there's 10 different keys to choose from, so we have plenty of options to set the key. Next we have the pitch snap button, which will set how our voice will snap to the note. So we have two different settings here. We have the near setting, which will set our voice to the nearest note in that key. So whether we're singing sharp or singing flat, it's going to take the note that we're trying to sing and set it to the correct note in that key. We also have the upper setting, which will take the note that we're singing and shift it up a note. So if we're singing flat, this would be great to use so that our voice can always go up to the correct key. Below we have the pitch accuracy button, and we're going to want to use this to set the quality of the pitch correction. Again, there's two different settings we can choose from, so we can set this either to normal, which is more of a smoother transition to the correct note, and we also have the better setting, which will set our voice to the correct note faster. Now keep in mind, if you want to use the pitch correction in general, you'll want to make sure that the pitch snap and the pitch accuracy are set to either of these settings available. And if you want no pitch correction at all, you'll want to make sure that the pitch snap is turned off and that the pitch accuracy is turned off. So now that we know the ins and outs of this section, let me quickly show you how it works. So the first thing we'll want to do is set the key of the pitch correction using the key button here. So like I mentioned earlier, if I know the song that I'm singing in is in the key of C, I'm going to press the key button here until the front display here reads C. I'm then going to select a setting for the pitch snap button. So for right now, let's set it to near. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the pitch accuracy. So for right now, let's set it to normal. So now let's hear how our voice sounds.
Hello, hello, hello.
Now let's go ahead and switch the pitch snap to upper and the pitch accuracy to better.
Hello, 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 hello.
Now let's do a quick mix and match and set the pitch snap to near and the pitch accuracy to better.
Hello, hello, hello.
And one more time, we'll go upper for the pitch snap and to normal for the pitch accuracy.
Hello, hello, hello.
So we have plenty of different options between all of these different settings depending on how you sing. And remember again, if you want the pitch correction off altogether, you're going to turn the pitch snap to the off position and the pitch accuracy to the off position.
Check 1 2, check 1 2. Back to normal.
So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to use the pitch correction with your Elite Party 65. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.